How to fix Chatgpt access denied, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open your browser, and now once you're here, click these 3 points and then click history, and now go to clear browsing data and go to advanced, select 7 days and select all of those here, and then click cookies and other site data and clear it. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, just try another browser, and that's it. Now just try again. If that doesn't fix it, just try to log in with another account, change your account, and that's it. You'll find that your problem is fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.